Hello, this is Greg. I've been doing some desoldering. I need to clean the tip on my gun. So this is how we do it. This got a little nub on the back here. You pull it down, give it a pull back, pop this thing out, put it back in its holder, pull this out, and you can see how it's all plugged up. The filter's a little dirty, getting a little dirty too. But what I've been doing with this is just taking my heat gun at 480 Celsius and heating this up until that solder falls out. And it doesn't seem to bother the spring at all. Once it's all nice and hot, there we go. Nice clean hole. I'll let that cool down and give it a little spring action here. Let me pause. No reason to wait for steel to get cold. All right, it's still a little hot, but just give it a little pull back. You can see it doesn't hurt the spring at all. And then we just stick this. I suppose I could tap that out a little bit. Put this back onto here. Slip this into here. Make sure the little there's a little rubber that goes in there. Make sure it stayed in. Oops. And then goes whole side to whole side. Maybe. Oh, pull back on that a little bit. There we go. There and there, and then snap it shut. And then, still hot. There we go. That's how I clean the spring. And then there's also, in the kit that they sent me, there's more filters and one of these cleaning rods, which is quite substantial. This is a big rod. So, and that just goes right through the hole. In fact, if I pop this out, there we go. Then we can see it come all the way through the hole. Where's the hole at? Right there. So, and it feels like maybe there's a little bit of a buildup in there. But I like it. I'm liking this whole unit so far. I have had no problems or complaints that, that are anything big. Everything works as stated. It's a little bit of a pain to have to pull this apart to do the air sucker, but I don't use that very often. But when I want to use it, it's nice to have it right there. So yeah, that's how I clean this type of head. Just use your air gun, melt it all out, clean it up, and you're off and running again. Hope this helps somebody somewhere do something. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.